This is a $32 bet right now.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus. Is there anyone on board who can... The life of everyone on board depends. Pick the right auto to the flyback.
I hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Take 5.
Are we regretting?
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger...
Would you like to order dinner now? Steak.
Number 3 engine gauge. Sluggish, like a wet sponge. Everyone on this plane is in a desperate situation.
Nothing to worry about.
Ooh, $600.
I'll be back in a minute.
I didn't want that one.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
I wanted to go over here.
Thank you for flying with us. Sit back and enjoy the rest of your game.
Alright, well I think I got my money back. Again. Oh,
this is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
Jesus Christ.
Otto's getting larger.
You gotta be kidding
me. Pick the right auto to fly.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Johnny, what do you think of? This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
A hospital? What is it?
It's a big building with patients.
Come on.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the...
All down here.
Thank you for flying with us. Sit back and enjoy the rest of your game.
Right after the bonus, so I stopped recording, saved his battery. So I'm gonna pause it here. If I get another bonus, I'll be back. All right, we got another one. I'm gonna go right this time.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus. Well, you found the ticket. The first class ticket. Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus. Select a first class seat. Multiplies your biggest pick. Thank you for playing. Bye-bye.
Only a few spins later, we got it again. Let's see. I was gonna go left too. Alright, let's go right again.
The doctor will be with you in just a moment.
So irritating. You gotta pick. I guess I'm gonna go left.
This is your captain speaking. Just kidding. Here, have a bonus.
Oh, whoa. That's cool. The machine turned off.
Keep an eye on that number 3 engine gate.
We're in terrible trouble, over.
Finally, I picked up some good picks.
Sluggish, like a wet sponge.
Everyone on this planet is in a desperate situation.
We're in terrible trouble, over.
That's the best one.
There's no reason to panic.
Would you like to order dinner now?
I'm gonna do what SD guy says. He goes with the cock.
To increase your multiplier.
Oh, that's a food tray one. Never mind.
Steak. Fish.
Oh, it's a big, pretty white plane with red stripes.
Looks like I picked the wrong week for a treat.
I need this golden ticket.
I haven't flown for a long time.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight. Do you know what he had for dinner?
I'm ordering you. Stay up there.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
Oh, I was gonna go top left. Am I done? Of course not. Alright, let's go left. Go left again.
This is your speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
Okay.
Surely there must be some hotel again.
Keeps hot dog buns fresh for days.
Where did you get that?
Unlock the automatic pilot.
That's a good one.
Back and relax. Otto will pick for you, and you get all the credit.
Would you like to order dinner now?
Pick the steak.
Fish.
Now I'm gonna pick what SD guy picks,
Would
which
you like
is
something
cock.
to eat?
Those that go there, I'll try to pick that. Alright, Otto, keep picking.
You found the ticket. The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest bid.
These are nickels. We got a $16 bet here. Got it.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
You a doctor?
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been.
I'm giving the orders and we're coming in.
You found the ticket. The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest bid. Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
I hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Oh,
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus. Select a first class seat to multiply your biggest pick. Congratulations. See you next time.
The doctor will be with you in just a moment.
there we go. Good, $450. 2 in a
This is
row.
your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus. Pick the right auto to fly back to the...
Damn.
Congratulations. See you next time.
Hey. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we're loaded up here, more money in. Let's see if we can get a bonus again. Times in a row now I guessed wrong. To get one on the left again, I'm gonna go left. Come on. Now I'm going to go right next time. You got to be kidding me. I'm going to stay right. We got a refill there, $500. I'll try some spins without stopping it. Okay, let's try right. Oh my gosh. No, I'm getting mad. It's 3 in a row. Ooh, I'm going right again next time. I get some more money. Be right back. Okay, there's no way it can't be on the right this time. 3 in a row I picked them. Finally.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
Alright. Let's do this corner. Oh,
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
oh my gosh. Jeez.
Congratulations. See you next time.
Okay, next bonus I'm going left.
This is Elaine Dickinson. I'm the stewardess.
Surely you can't be serious.
I don't have patience to let them stop on their own today. Try left. One of these bonuses has to pay something.
You can tell me I'm a doctor.
I stopped recording only because of the fact that my battery was getting low. I was going to save it for a bonus, but I got a good line hit here, so let's see what we got. All right, $600 bucks. I'm gonna play this down to 0 if I don't get a bonus, and that's gonna be it. This is over $2 grand. Oh my God. $200. 200 bucks. So I don't know if I should go on the right this time or go on the left next time. I'm gonna go left again. We got about 10% with the battery here, so. Alright, let's go left. Oh my god. Is this even possible? I'm going left again.
You can tell me I'm a doctor.
I guess the foot's on the other hand now.
Alright, this is a $32 bet right now.
This is your
Dying.
captain speaking. Welcome to the bonus.
Is there anyone on board who can... The life of everyone on board.
Pick the right auto to fly back.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Take 5.
We regretting?
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger...
Would you like to order dinner now? Steak.
Number 3 engine gauge. Sluggish, like a wet sponge.
Everyone on this plane is in a desperate situation.
Nothing to worry about.
Ooh, $600.
I'll be back in a minute.
I didn't want that one.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
I wanted to go over here.
Thank you for flying with us. Sit back and enjoy the rest of your game.
Alright, well I think I got my money back.